Hi everybody, heading out today on my motorbike, and obviously I'm geared up. Well, I haven't got my tops on, but boots, whatever. It's a bit of a wet day, so roads are going to be stinking. Don't want to be dirty, and I know it's easy enough to wash your kit. So I have my vents and the trousers open, but just as an over trouser, I know there's different ones on the market. But I bought these, which are DeWalt. They're a rain suit. They're rubbery, they're soft. It's a nice feel. It's got zips on the side just to extend them a bit. So when I go out riding, I use these as my over trousers. I know there's different ones like that, but I have used these quite a few times, and it keeps my boots get dirty, but it keeps my trousers clean. So I know there's going to be a lot of muck and dirt on the roads, so this is going to help keep them clean. So when I come back, I can throw these in the wash or wash them down by hand, either or, but they're both very easily done. I'm not wearing the jacket to them, I'm just wearing these here, and I've oversized them to my size, so they're slightly bigger, so they can go over my kit. I'm well pleased with them. They're very easy. I bought these in Screwfix, but you can probably get rain sets anywhere. There's quite a few good ones. These ones here, they've got like a soft line inside, and they're rubberized outside, as I said. Brilliant, first class. Get yourself a set.